Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here today at Mercedes and we're doing a fitment on the AMG GT63. Now there's a 2-door and a 4-door. We're doing the 2-door today. It's got a deployable air dam in the front, so it's if you have a 4-door, it's going to be a different fitment which we have not completed yet. So this is for the 2-door only. And this is 2024, and cars are tightly spaced in here, so this will be tight quarters. So we're gonna do the best we can to do the fitment here today. So we'll go ahead and get started here, and I'll turn it over to Mike and say we'll get this.
All right, thanks, Steve. Well, thank goodness I ate a light dinner last night, because otherwise I'm not sure I'd fit. Okay, so we're going to be using. I know it's dark down here. I'm hoping that you'll have enough light to see what we're doing. Maybe I'll turn my, I don't know if this is going to help or not. So for now, I'm going to try this. And then we'll see if this helps at all. Okay, there's two screws here that hold, I think, part of this plastic trim on here. They got a T27 Torx head, so we're going to be removing those, and that's what we're going to be using. So we're going to, there's one obviously left of center and one right of center. We will not be reusing these, and this of course is no drill, so we'll be just taking the two factory screws down and replacing them with two 6mm by 25mm bolts. So there you go, there's one out, and now we go to the other side and we're going to take the other one out. Like I said, this is a challenge already as it is because it's so low, but now this will be another one that's like, this car's low, so going in and out of driveways, you better be going at an angle and straight. Don't take anything straight on, and certainly go slow. Alright, so I think we got the, okay, so these two screws are out. So now we're going to take our base plate, we're going to take our two fasteners and our two spacers. So again, this is a 6mm by 25mm bolt. It's going to go through the base plate, spacer on top, and that's just going to get it down to where it needs to be to allow us to put the front end in. We're going to start that one. Alright, there we go. And then we're going to start this one. See if I can get my hands in there again. This is because of where we happen to be. It's a little tight, but oh, there we go. Almost having to do some of this by feel. Really important to start these by hand first. It is a bolt going into machine thread, so you do not want to cross thread these. So, oops, I lost my spacer there. Make sure I'm in the right spot. Alright. So, I like to just kind of snug these up a little at a time. Make sure I got good clearance and everything. It looks like I'm off of everything here. So, tighten that up. Alright, so these are good and snug. Air dam, you can see it's a rubber air dam that deploys. So there's a little bit of give to it, so you can see it's flexible. I think there's an arm somewhere here. I was trying to see if I could feel it. Right here there's a wheel, looks like an end right here. And it just comes down and pushes it down, and then to go up it just retracts and lets us come up. Alright, so we got that. I'm going to have to let my phone go here. I don't know if you want to try to hold that, Steve. Alright, so now is all we have to do is start the front end push it till it clicks into place, and there you go, you're all done. And that's all there is to it.
Okay, and make sure to lubricate your pull pin periodically just to keep it working properly. And if you do go through, I would imagine a car like this, you probably don't take it through car wash, probably get it hand washed. But if you do, you're going to want to remove your front plate with your license plate attached. And like Mike said, this is a very low car, but if you go at an angle going in and out of driveways or spaces where you have, you know, some elevation challenges, you know, driveways and whatever, but make sure that you go at an angle and go slowly. So that's it. Trying to get the front here, but I'm in a bit of a tight crunch, space crunch here. So yeah. So your front plate will go on there, and your license plate will go on the front plate, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.